MAC filtering is a security feature that allows you to control which devices can connect to your network based on their MAC addresses. Ensure you have administrative access to your ANTlabs Gateway before proceeding. Log in as admin, using your administrator credentials. Navigate to MAC filtering settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Policies/Authentication/MAC Filter section of the web interface. Click Add button. A. Type MAC address. B. Add ticket decryption. C. End date, checkout date. Click Add to save the entry. Important tips. Make sure to add all the MAC addresses of devices you want to grant access to. Any devices not on the list will be denied access. Remember that MAC addresses can be spoofed, so MAC filtering is just one layer of network security. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.